In this question, it involves both AP and GP together in one question. So let's read the question carefully first. You know the 5th, 10th, and 20th terms of a convergent geometric series are the first 3 consecutive terms of an AP. So I need you to highlight a few words. Over here, the word convergent is important. What does it imply? It tells us that mod R is less than 1, where R is the common ratio of the GP. And we also know that these 3 terms, 5th, 10th, and 20th terms of the GP are consecutive terms of an AP. So firstly, let's start off by writing down the 3 terms, which is AR4, AR9, and AR19, being the 5th, 10th, and the 20th term of a GP. So we also know that these 3 terms are in an AP, which means these 3 terms differs by a common difference, the same common difference. So we can formulate the first equation where AR9 minus AR4, which is the common difference, is equals to AR19 minus AR9. Now we can manipulate the equation and factor out the common factor to reach this step. Now at this step, we observe that A, which is the first term, is a non-zero first term, because if the first term is 0, there's nothing else to calculate. R is not equal to 0, okay, because again, the common ratio is not 0. Common ratio cannot be 1 because we know that it's a convergent geometric series, so mod R must be less than 1. This leads us to the next step. So as a result, we obtain R5 times R5 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we expand this out and we use the quadratic formula to obtain what is R to the power of 5. We have 2 possible solutions for R to the power of 5. This will give us 2 answers, that R is negative 1.1 or R is equal to 0.9. Now we have to reject away R is equal to negative 1.1. For what reason? Because we know that mod R must be smaller than 1. So there's only one answer, R is equal to 0.908. Now for part 2, I leave it to you to read on your own because it's just a simple application of the formula. Let's go on to part 3. We are supposed to find the sum of the first 10 odd-numbered terms of the AP. So we have already found the first term of the AP. The first term of the AP is the 5th term of the GP. So we have already found the R and the A, so we can find the first term of the AP. Okay, so this value here is the first term of AP. Okay, we are only lifting up the odd numbered terms. So let's make an observation. Supposing that we have an AP where the first term is A. The next term is A plus D. The third term is A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, so on and so forth. If we are only lifting up the odd numbered terms, which is the first, the third, the 5th, and so on and so forth, what do you notice? These terms that are lifted up, A plus 2D, and A plus 4D, and so on and so forth, still forms an AP. It's still an AP, but what is the common difference? The common difference will be 2 times the common difference of the original AP. So let's relate back to this question. If I'm lifting up only the odd numbered terms, the common difference will be 2 times of the original common difference, which means I should use the third term of the AP minus away the first term of the AP to obtain the common difference of the odd numbered terms. And in this case, I obtain negative 1.0397. So applying the SN formula, I will be able to obtain the sum of the first 10 odd numbered terms.